Junk was sitting while holding his head. Everything shattered around him. He could broke many things because of anger and regret. He was very restless. He didn't find peace in anything. Always always came in front of him when he was about to get interested in anything else. He had many restless nights because of her. She always drove in his mind. He couldn't sleep and didn't get peace in the morning. Regret was eating him. He wanted to meet her and sorry. He wanted to apologize to her, but thought that he had become destroyed her life because of her. She lost her eyes. He tried to find her everything, but he would never stop until he found her. He wanted to die after giving her his everything. He wanted her to live. He'll have his everything. He wanted her. Suddenly his cell phone started ringing and he picked up. They got out that his wife had broken tears started falling. Jack was again crying. Yet I can't keep her out of mind. I blame myself. She lost her eyesight because of me. I left her alone. There to die too and cry in pain. Now can't live in peace. I hurt her. I'm getting hurt. I wanted her in my life. Stop blaming yourself. It wasn't your mistake, and I heard that she was planned before you lost her. Yeah, she lost her eyesight because of accident, not because of you. Of course, you were just 17 at that time. You became afraid and left. They forced you to do that. It's not your mistake. No one can help me to get over. Why can't you understand that? I can't see it dying. You are the one I have. You see, it's important for you, but you are important to your parents. We can't live without you. You have to do everything. You have to forget everything. I can't see you like this. This hurts me. Your mother always cried after seeing your condition. Stop doing this. I'll find her for you. Okay, now stop hurting yourself and tell me where you are. I'm coming to pick you up. I don't know. Then go and see and tell me. Gautama looked at the place and told her that it was his secret house. While on the other hand, Joanne was sitting on the dining table and it felt like someone was sitting with her husband. For all I feel, someone's presence. Cecily smiled and looked at her husband. Fine. I'm just with you. Nobody is. Don't worry. He put his hand over her hand and she smiled. Baby wanted to feed me. She whispered, pausing in his mind. Everything was for my baby. She smiled and they were sitting in front of her and were flirting with each other. Man always felt someone's friend, but she asked him, but he always not. He was such a sweet as in front of her, but he didn't even like one. He was forced to marry her sister and away from the marriage. After eating dinner, she got up and holding her stick. I want to talk. Walk, okay, do you need any help now? Cecily was staring at me with a disgusting face when starting walking with the help of a stick. She knew every corner of the spot and Cecily was sitting behind. Let's sleep. He nodded and got up. Cecily also got up and they walked towards the room. Cecily wanted to push her down the stairs. She saw Vine as an irritated person because she was wanted to hurt her. They entered the room together. Vine later and Cecily also later with them. Vine felt someone present but she didn't ask him. The next morning, Vine was walking down the stairs. Suddenly Cecily pushed her and Vine rolled down on the stairs. Paul came out and Vine he ran towards her and helped her to sit. She started crying while saying someone pushed me. No, baby, just sleep. Don't cry. It hurts me. He picked her up and walked towards the room. My knee hurts. Don't worry, I'm putting something on it. He nodded and he didn't stop. He was wiping her tears also. He looked at Cecily and she was giving an angry look. He knew that she got mad at him, but he didn't want to laugh and like that. After drinking, he gave her breakfast and also ate with her. She was asking for it. He got up and looked at Cecily. He grabbed her hand and brought her in the room. Leave me. Are you crazy? Why did you push her? Do you even have a heart? Why are you caring for her so much? Why do you start loving her? It's not about her. Why do you hate her? She's a human like you. She didn't even say anything to you, but she was still heartless. You always say this because you know you have become my weakness. I'm trying to ask you to do with her. It's not a mistake. She had become my wife because was also forced like me. She even asked me to leave her after marriage. Then why did you leave her? Because I don't want to leave her. See her like that. I don't love her, but I ask you to behave kindly with her. She's innocent. Okay, I'll see. Paul wasn't the bad guy. He didn't love Anne because he was in love with her sister. But his sister and when he found Cecily, he fell in love with her, but he didn't hate her. But he didn't love her. He didn't like to see her in pain. Our Cecily was so heartless. She was once interested, but then changed after an accident. While on the other hand, Shanku, now you have to go now. It was your past. Yeah, I know it was my past, but I just can't forget it. I still remember an innocent page. But you were also innocent boy. Flashback. Janko was standing in front of the bad boys of his college. Janko was new to the college. He had just transferred to dad calling, but some bad boys who were bullies started to disturb him, but he didn't tell his father even though he was so rich boys he had to do something. You have to in over her. Yes, he has written after reading that. But he looked at the girl. She has blindfolds wire around her eyes. I can't do this. This is so brutal. But you have to do this if you don't want to get bitten by a spider. What's the reason? They got up and walked towards him while showing him. We will make you if you don't do it, and nobody can save you from us because you are alone here with us. No matter what we are saying, Thomas holding Janko's collar and pushed her on the ground. Janko was so weak he became afraid and grabbed it and looked at her. His heart was streaming and was crying. He was feeling bad, but Tom was forcing him to form the back. And then he hit the man. He fell down. He howled outside and Janku's heart got broken. She started crying at the over, making fun of now you can go. Janku ran out of there. He wanted to abandon. So he told all this to the principal. They did it out Van. One parents were funding in the school because they were bullying in the back of the school, but when they asked Janku to do that, then he did. After Janku ran from there and told the principal and also parents they went there and saved her, and Janku went to his office without even seeing her for the last time. He wanted to tell everyone everything to his dad, but because of this because of all the babying, fell into all the blame, falling Janko into the depression. He started thinking that it was a mistake because of it she became kite. They all lied to him, but when he started telling him about the damage was done, and he started to blame himself because of his dad. The principal threw those boys out. Flashback ended and he had a sign. He took many medicines, but it left a mark on his memory. He wasn't that weak, why he changed and wasn't afraid of anyone. Nobody could even touch him. No, but the memory of her was destroying. He couldn't get her out of his mind. She always lived in his mind. A month later, man was standing in the kitchen drinking water. Cecily came and looked at her with hateful eyes. She put the water on her flame and wine. Since is there anyone in the kitchen with me? Paul is chatting. Nobody suddenly she drank the water and was about to go over. Cecily put through the hot water on her. My mind screamed. My Paul Albert to sit on the couch and he held her hand, which was very funny. He looked at Cecily and she was smiling. Cecily did that because she hated to see Paul crying about her. It was hurting my but she didn't stop crying, so Paul brought her to the doctor. Cecily again got mad because she wanted him to leave Van forever. But Paul wasn't ready to leave her. After an hour, they came where Van was hugging Paul. Cecily got up after seeing them. He walked towards the room while ignoring Cecily. She sat down angry and he came out after she had slept. Do you even have a shame? He said, no, I want her to die. Because she always comes in between us. I told you many times to leave her. Because my heart stops me everything. She doesn't deserve me, but people are so heartless. You are also heartless because you are cheating on her. First of all, I told her I can't love her. She understood me. She didn't like me, but I promised her I didn't show her. She just wanted that. She's afraid to be left alone. She told me everything, but not to leave her. I'm just doing that. She needs to die because she only gets peace after dying. You're also wants to do this because this will lessen her pains. I want her to die because I want her to go, not to go through so much. You should do this. You should wish she wanted to live with me, then she should agree with me. This world is so good for her. Just go from here. She angrily walked on and he sat on the couch while holding his head. But he didn't know that Vine had everything while it was so why he told her that he couldn't love her and she had no problem because she believed that he deserved a poetry and good girl for him, not a blind girl like her. He told her that he might get with someone. She asked him to give her a life peaceful. Which nobody gets and he agreed to it, but it was becoming hard for both of them. He had Cecily for mine because he didn't want to put her even though she didn't have a problem. I knew about Cecily. She knew Cecily lived with them. But she never asked him. Because he was doing everything for her. Now her tears were falling because she was becoming a burden for him. Now she didn't want to live like that. She decided to talk with him and she would leave and she wouldn't live there. Because she didn't want to ruin his happiness. She didn't care about her life. She knew that nobody would never hurt her. A week later, Van walked with him and asked him to leave her. At first he didn't agree, but then Van told him she didn't want to live with him. It was better for both of them to leave each other. Rather than living in that toxic environment, Cecily was so happy that Paul was living when he gave her the apartment where she had everything. He promised her he would give her everything. And a maid was with her. She believed that he would have never she could see again. It was so expensive. She couldn't afford him. She had never asked Van for it treatment. She knew that nobody would spend so much money on her. While on the other hand, Janko was staring at the wall. His heart was streaming because of the depression and anxiety. He believed that the way he would get peace after getting her, but he believed that he could see her enough quality. He just wanted to meet her. She was with him in his mind, in his dream. He closed his eyes while thinking about her. 1 week later, Shankar was going to Ashwini's house. His eyes were sleepy because he didn't sleep the whole night. Suddenly, a girl came in front of his eyes and he stopped the car immediately and the girl fell down. His eyes were turning immediately covered. Are you okay? He asked and she was trying to grab her stick, which had her on his knee. She looked at him. Oh my God, can you please give me my stick? She was choked and his eyes traveled toward her face. She frowned and suddenly changed under her smile. She thought that someone would brother and bully her. Finally, I found her. He smiled and she was coming to come with me. Now I want to go back home. I will drop you. Please don't do this anything for me. Please don't hurt me. I'm sorry for passing in front of you. I got lost. I came out with my map, but I got lost. No need to cry. I'm not to help you. I want her to come with me. I'll help you leave me. He thought that he would forcefully bring her with him, but he was asking her to realize that he wasn't a bad guy. She was always so positive. That's why people took advantage of her. He entered the house happily and man was afraid because he took her to his place. When he had found her, he shouted while smiling and she came out and looked at her. Man was a weak cut when he smiled Stayed up from Metro to realize she was so afraid she walked towards no need to worry. We will not hurt you. Come with me. Janko was so happy he couldn't believe that he finally found her. He started to feel good and setting all his worry vanished after seeing her. He told his parents and they were so happy for him. Everyone was so happy, but one was so confused. She was in a stranger's and they were treating her like a princess. She realized that they were really good people. She lived there. After that, Janko talked with Paul and he was so happy for her. Janko wanted her to get treatment. He wanted her to see her again. He wanted, but mine was a little confused now. She was sitting there without thinking about everything. She didn't want to talk with him after. 5 months later, Vine was sitting with the little girl. She was sitting there talking to her and Vine was feeling good. Vine spent most of the time with that girl. She was daughter of his friends. His friends were so kind and she started to like them. Nobody had her in that house. She did well. But she wanted fun she got a vibe so life. She didn't talk to Janko because she hesitated. She was jealous from him. Suddenly his car entered and she said that he came back. She ran with Chris and he came out of the car. She didn't want him to walk towards him. She turned up as he walked toward her. When I want to talk to you, but is it come with me? She asked, don't worry, hello, did you be comfortable with me? She nodded and got up. Now she was sitting with his mother and he was staring at her like crazy. He felt good. He started to feel good. He became a normal person. He loved for her to do more. His mother was talking to her and telling her about her treatment and the marriage of her younger one was shocked to her, but she didn't so easily agree on it so easily. They came out from the current picture office. She was still so sad when we walked towards the room, and her heartbeat was getting increased minute by minute. They entered and he closed the door. He put her on the bed and took off his coat. He faced her in front of her. Why you know that I always love you. If you feel uncomfortable about then tell me. His eye while touching her face. She was getting red but just by his words. He crossed his fingers on her soft cheeks. I'm here for you. I believe that you will also love me like I do. I cut my face off refining for my everything and then she hugged him because men only run from her. She made up for and Sam didn't want to look at her because he thought that she was horrible. She felt his two feelings as when she always wanted to be loved like that and a wish came true. After he broke the egg and tied her ugly. 1 week later, when sitting in front of the doctor, and Janko was sitting beside her. She was so afraid of the operation. Her heartbeat was so fast and she wanted the doctor to say that she could get better without operation. So tell me, does she have the chance to see again? Yeah, don't worry, she will get better after the operation. One grabbed his hand. This will take time to prepare herself again. She nodded and they what about he was holding her hand and he walked out with her. The doctor knew that it was so hard for her, but it was good for she could see the world again. She was happy. At home, I was sitting while hugging him. He was patting her back. Suddenly she spoke. Why do you love me so much? How can you fall in love with me? After that, I said I was going crazy about it. I want to see you again, but it's getting because people blame me for because of when you lost it. You, I said I was saying that it was getting up for me. I wanted to see again. I am thought that because of you were getting out of this since because you gave me crazy. You made my life useful. People bullied me so much in my life. I thought that you would also admit you were so changed from the man I used when I like you. Now I want to get my son because I know that you are so beautiful. It's funny because you are also pretty and we will go together to explore the different places together after operations. We will be happy. She smiled and nodded. She closed her eyes and gave a lot and she felt peace with him. After a month, Van's eyes were blindfolded and she was ready to see him. Impatiently, she was waiting for Janko because he hadn't visited. He hadn't visited for a day. He had never left her like that because he was in her room and the doctor came inside. He slowly removed the blindfold. She opened her eyes and she could see everything. I haven't seen him. He will come, but don't worry, just wait a minute. She nodded. And suddenly, a man, the doctor came out and a man came inside and she saw that Janko came. And Tom sat in front of her. He walked towards her van. He sat in front of her. He hummed and we were pretty done. Then she smiled and the man, let's go where? The doctors was saying that I needed to rest. Here I had talked to him and take your medicine. Let's go. She nodded and okay, Janko, he smiled after reading his name. He hummed to stand and they both walked out. Well, on the other hand, because of you, we spent so many years. How can you think that we will let you go so easily? What do you want from me? I get what you have done. I'm not afraid of you, we should. Because we will leave, we won't leave you here like this. And he felt that he couldn't fight back because he was tired. While on the other hand, one came out of the private room and they entered the house. She looked at it and then told him, did we live in this house? He nodded while smiling. She walked towards him to ask where we did everything, make everything, make everything, and this how we you gave me as a vitamin. We came in this aftermath. But we did it because you wanted us to respect my opinion. So much what I talking about, man. Forget it. He said you were learning right. Let's do that again. No. His face was still stable. Famished step by passing him. His wife was similar to Junko and Lazar. He was arguing with tape from device. Where is he? She asked Thomas. What? So you find out. Well, how can you find out? Because you never seen him in your life. She was stepping back and he was standing in front of Ali's side because when young man recognized him, he was pulling out water, started shivering and started crying. And then she tried to run, but he grabbed her from behind and she fell down and just while standing in front of her, he kicked her and walked off.